remove any dirt and body fluids. Use antibacterial soap and sponge. 9. Shave the wanted patient hair. Information on the family. 10. The facial feature. 11. Prepare the necessary instrument. Prepare the solution test. Formalin is 1:3, 1/4 of formalin is 1:1.
For how much, what percent yung formalin? Lalabas sa exam yan, ha? 10% yung manisabay.
Prepare the necessary instruments. 13.
Opo. When you prepare, make sure na anong direction.
Make sure that the instrument is for injecting solution.
One direction.
Number 13. Select the appropriate artery.
Okay, in proper order.
The artery is cone carotid artery and internal jugular vein. Shoulder is adfravian artery and vein. For the arm, axillary artery and vein. Forearm is brachial artery and vein, basic artery and
Masasakal.
vein.
YouTube mo siya?
For the
I-upload niya siya sa YouTube para mag-subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.
brain is common iliac artery and vein. Thigh is femoral artery and vein.
Babae kasi ako.
T is for
Kaya na yung kailangan mo na mag-ibig na
popliteal artery and vein. And then toes is
lalaki or
Ano? May kapinsya na natin, babae.
Depende sa inyo.
leg is yung tibial artery and vein. Fibular artery and vein.
Okay na? Ano susunod?
Position of the body as recommended by the family. Repose, straight and open palm. 15. Inject the solution yung sensor. Prick test, tapos yung discoloration. Dito prick test, discoloration. Dito sir, tsaka pa yung sa dito. Tapos yung
parang yung dress ko yung problem.
Masyadong oily yung ano mo kaya hindi mo makapit.
drying of the skin.
Tama ba yung gusto?
Tapos po, firming of the muscle. Ay, firming of the tissue.
All over the face.
Lahat yan. Here yung discoloration.
Last one.
Including ears.
Arteries.
Paano kung malalaman ko?
Do you notice dun sa hindi ko pwedeng mag-jumble? But the rest has to be in order, okay?
Lalagyan na lahat.
17 is side of the arteries. Para ma-correlate sa nakakal na siya. Pwede mo siya dark.
Ah, yeah. Pag may pag-dark talaga, no?
Depende kasi may patay din na medyo
Perform hypodermal
Oo.
pulse.
Ngayon,
Involving
siyempre mas makapal kung medyo dark na yung patay, ano?
Always stapling.
Okay na ano sa
19 is
Hindi pa masakit to, sir?
monitor.
Malambot yan.
Using trocar.
In order.
Kasi patayan natin.
wala po masyadong impact. Parang
Sa right atrium, sir.
Ah.
Blood.
See.
Sa
Oh, pwede ako kayo.
Hindi lang a lot of blood. Kasi alam ng mga doctor siya.
right atrium, sir.
Papansin lang ako.
A lot of blood. pleural area, gas, blood, and gas, fluids. Left pleural area, blood, gas, fluids, stomach, food residue, hepatic area. Blood search ang
Pag ganito na medyo oily, sa next mo gagawin na yung pinaka-last, powder.
Powder.
Para hindi maano siya.
Next.
Ang ganda sa urine. Masyadong oily. Kasi manikin to. Pag ganitong oily kasi mahirap maano ng medyo makeup. Kailangan tamtaman lang ang oil.
Sir, yung mga pang ano sir, pang ano ba, night club. Mano sir, lisod doon mo.
Andaan nyo ha, ang body, naka-steady, hindi umiikot. Tayo na embalmer, tayo ang umiikot. Ha?
Yes, sir.
23, clean out the narcotics using cotton and spray disinfectant. 24, but the body dry. Blow red hair if needed. Put on clothes. Number 25. Underlagay na namin sa
Paniguan mo na.
Hindi ang make. Yan.
Using.
Cosmetics
Iniikot mo eh.
and wax. 26. Cosmetics
Yan. Ang blast on.
baka setting powder remains sa gasket.
And, okay, bago ka magtuloy sa Posipani, sino nag-introduce ng
Yung ano mo ha,
16
hindi kailangan masyadong oil kasi ito rubberized. Hindi siya masyadong talaban ng makeup. Kaya wag masyadong
16
oily.
mo muna, sino?
Pag hindi kumapit yung ano, yung yan, pwede yung ilagyan ng powder.
Help group, sino?
Kasi, mukhang dudulas.
Spanish Friars, 1642. Yung, 1904.
Kulang.
Oh, missionaries. Okay ba yun, ha? Missionaries. 1904. Okay, next, Posipani. Tandaan nyo na.
Ito pang blast on to. Tanda mo yan. Ito pang blast on.
Dispose properly in a
Ito yung pang makeup.
Ano sa?
Powder yan.
Hindi ko nino. Ang gusto mo.
Ito pang ano rin. Basta tanda mo ha. Ito malalaki pang blast on to dito yan.
Tama na ito sa ginagawa.
black for the dry and this non-infectious, yellow with black, band for unused chemicals. 2 is clean the embalming instruments and other embalming table using antibacterial and chlorine.
Nakano siya, drunk?
3. Wash the body smooth. Remove the
Sorry, I can
PPE,
use
In
eyebrow
order.
pencil for eyeliner, right?
Yeah.
gloves, gown, eye cover, head cover, mask,
Ikot.
wash the body exposed to chemicals. Wash hands thoroughly. Use this alcohol 70% and the last the death certificate.
What to sign?
The title is yung name on race of exam.
Raise up?
Racing. Matry mo lang place of
Tapos, last?
expiration
Yes.
date.
Yes, ma'am.
Last one.
Ito na.
Undertake the body. Undertaker deliver the casket to the funeral.
Okay, last question. Saan gawa ang embalming table?
Pervious materials for like stainless, marble, or
Parang matuyo lang. Yung matuyo.
Okay na, okay na. Basta lalabas yung word na impervious. Very good. Okay, wala na. Proceed to group 2. Group 2 na tayo. Sige. Go, go, go. Sir Cesar, mag-isa ka mag-action dyan. Okay. Go ahead.
27 steps of the embalming phase. Number 1, secure the death certificate. Ensure that the cause of death is not dangerous communicable disease. Number 2, wear your PPE. The proper donning of PPE, face mask to protect your nose and mouth from inhalation of particles. Number 2, the eye cover to protect your eyes from chemical spills or splashes. Number 3 is the head cover to also protect your hair and scalp from chemical spills and splashes, and also from acquiring lice from the disease. Number 4 ba o 5 na, sir?
After ng head cover.
After ng head cover is the gown to protect your body from chemical spills as well. And then the gloves to prevent your hands from direct contact with the diseased body. And your boots to protect your feet from chemical spills and sharp injuries. Next is turn on the exhaust fan. We do this to ensure that the work area has proper ventilation. Then number 4, put the remains in the embalming table. You do this by spraying, by disinfecting the body bag before opening it. Then upon opening, you disinfect also the body wrappings and the body of the deceased as well. Then number 5 is remove the clothing and jewelries. You list it down, you document it, you put it in a plastic, and you give it to the family members of the deceased. Number 6 is you bath the body. Disinfect the body. Make sure that you spray the orifices to kill surface microorganisms. And number 7, you relieve the rigor mortis. We do this to make sure that the embalming solution flows well in the body, because yung stiffness of the muscles, tawag dito, naiipit yung mga veins, so you need to relieve before continuing with the procedure. Then next, you bathe the body. You clean the orifices, and you use antibacterial soap and sponge to make sure that the whole body is properly clean. Then next is you shave unwanted hair, but you make sure that you get permission from the family before shaving unwanted hair of the deceased. Then you post the facial features. You can use cotton as fillers for the mouth. Then you can stitch the mouth if needed to properly close it. Then next is DOH sanctioned DOH sanctioned solution na 1:3, 1 part formalin, 3 parts water, which yields to 10% formaldehyde strength. Yes po. And number na po ba? Number 12, you prepare the instrument. You make sure that the hand pump is connected for injection of the solution purpose before proceeding. Next is
13.
number 13 is you select the appropriate arteries for injection and veins for aspiration. For the head and the neck, we have the left and right common carotid artery and vein. For the shoulder, we have the subclavian artery and subclavian vein. For the arm, we have the axillary artery and axillary vein. For the lower arm, we have the brachial artery and basilic vein. Then for the hands, we have the radial artery, radial vein, and the ulnar artery, ulnar vein. For the groin, we have the common iliac artery and then the left and right iliac artery. For the legs, we have the femoral artery and femoral vein. For the knee, we have the popliteal artery and the popliteal vein. For the lower leg, we have the tibial artery, tibial vein, fibular artery, fibular vein. And for the toes, for the feet, we have dorsalis pedis.
Perfect.
Tapos po, ang next is...
Okay. Get some oxygen.
Yes po. Next po is
14.
yung position the body in the gasket. We have 3 hand positions to consider. The repose, the side, and the open palm. Tapos po... Straight, sorry sir. Straight and the open palm. Then next is we inject the solution. We inject the solution in a slow manner of 12 to 14 minutes per gallon of formaldehyde solution. Tapos, next is you monitor the distribution. We do this by the 6. Yung una po is cosmetic dye distribution. Then we have raising of superficial arteries, then clearing of discolorations, then dryness of the skin, the needle prick test, and the needle prick test, and the firming of tissues. Tapos after monitoring po, we tie the arteries in the veins. Make sure that you tie both ends na bukas to assure that there will be no leakage. Then next po is tapos po, number 18 po is you use a choker to aspirate. Hindi pa. Sorry sir. Make hypodermic injections po para sa area na hindi inabot ng solution by using hyposhaft trocar or hypodermic needles and syringe. Tapos po, you use trocar to aspirate the abdominal cavity. Before aspirating, make sure that you transfer the rubber tube ng hand pump for aspiration purposes and you remove the dropper tube from the
8 areas.
8 areas for aspiration. The right atrium, you can aspirate a lot of blood. The right pleural area, you can aspirate gas, pleural fluid, and blood. The left pleural area, you can aspirate the same gas, pleural fluid, and blood. The stomach, food residue, and the liver area, You can aspirate
Kung patayan,
the
nahilo na
abdomen
sa'yo
by
yan.
fluid.
Hindi ka lang umikot.
Tapos, sigmoid flexure in the lower left quadrant, you can aspirate feces. Then urinary, you can aspirate urine, and the cecum at the right lower quadrant, you can aspirate mushy feces and blood.
Okay.
Tapos, after aspiration po, inject cavity fluid. In injection of cavity fluid, you also make sure that you transfer the rubber tube from aspiration, ililipat ulit sa injection side. Then, you inject 1 to 1.5 liters of strong formalin solution of 2 parts formalin, 1 part water. Tapos po, hindi na makainga. Tapos sa susunod, close the incisions po. Make sure that you pack the, i-dry mo muna yung area. You pack it with clean cotton before you incise it using
Or apple.
Using S or C type na needle po. Tapos after closing the incisions, you dali na sir.
Sige lang, take your time.
You perform surface embalming po. For surface embalming, you can use cotton with formaldehyde or embalming gel. You put it in the area to be surface embalmed and you wrap it with a cling wrap or tape po. Tapos, after surface embalming, you spray the orifices.
Lipstick yan, lipstick.
Sorry, okay na.
Lipstick yan.
Clean the mouth and, hindi pala spray. Clean the mouth and the orifices using insecticides to assure that no insects would lay eggs in the orifices. Then next po is you bath the body again. You do the final bathing and you use towel or hand towel to dry the body before putting on the clothes of the deceased. After clothing the deceased, you perform restorations. You use wax for lacerations, and you also make restorations for the stains in the facial features. Then after this, the next step is to put cosmetics on the deceased, and on the face and on the hands of the deceased. Then the last is to put the body in the casket and make sure that upon putting the body, you spray it with insecticide to assure that no insect will lay eggs. And then the post-embalming, number 1 is to dispose properly and accordingly all waste generated during the embalming. We have waste segregations for the yellow, we have the infectious, the black, the dry, non-infectious, the red puncture-proof, we have the sharps, and the yellow with black tie, the chemicals that are unused. Tapos next po is to clean the embalming table and the embalming room using household bleach or chlorine. Then next po is to remove your PPE in this order: gloves, gown, eye cover, head cover, face mask, and the boots. And you also dispose all of these infectious use PPE in a yellow plastic bag. And then next, we wash the area. We wash the area of the body that is exposed in chemicals. We use antibacterial soap for washing and 70% solution alcohol for this. Tapos po, number 5 is you sign the death certificate. Make sure you affix your name, your title designation, your license number, the date of issuance, place of issuance, and the date of expiration. And lastly, the undertaker delivers the deceased in the place of viewing.
Okay, anong muscle ang madaling ma-decompose because of pressure?
Gluteus muscle because it carries all the weight of the body.
Anong quadrant yan?
Quadrant, sir. Lower
RLQ.
right lower quadrant. Okay, sir. Sige.
Good. Very good. Sir, it's your time to shine, Sir Cesar. We will do it slowly. Slowly and painfully. Kaya yan. Para at least matapos ka na. Slowly and painfully. Okay? Ganyan din ako na pagdaanan ko rin yan. Talagang hiyang-hiya ako. But I have to do it. Basta yan paano natin. Tulungan ka ni Mama. Tinan mo, cool na cool. Okay? Sige. Hingang malalim. Okay? So, yan. Number 1, start. Baka naman number 1, ha? Di mo
27 steps for embalming. Number 1, secure the death certificate. See to it that the to know the cause of death is not indigenous or it's not dangerous or communicable disease. Number 2, wear necessary PPEs.
Okay, arrangement.
Place your face mask, your eye goggle or protector, the head cap, and then put your gown, your gloves, and your boots. And then third is place the remains turn on the embalming room exhaust fan to
Okay. Hawak. Hawak. Tapos mukha mo.
Mahilig sa red lipsticks.
Hawak.
Hindi, ito lang kailangan niya.
Ang hirap mag-blend.
So, sir, meron tayong judge na tayo.
Sige, sir.
Wow. Panalo sa kilay, sir. Natabi kayo para picture, Yan. Pose sa yan.
Okay.
Pinapadark ko yung Ano pa naman, sir? Di ba ako natapos, sir? Di ba ako natapos? Matindi.
Oy, lakasan nyo yung palakpak nyo sa akin, ha?
may konting gas.
Ilibre ko kayo ng tigi sa isang Wilkins mamaya.
Ang dami mong garo.
Kailangan ko ng sombrero. Tapos naging ballpen lang pala yung ano. Wala tayo. RD8, ano.
500 lang.
Ay, sorry. May nanalo na, sir. Ganito lang. Ano? I-video ah.
Hindi pa ito yung kilo ko.
2 minutes.
Alam ko na, pag na lang para
May block talaga.
ano ito ang
Ganda ng ilong. Piyan na eh, no?
ikaw eh?
Sir, sinasabotahin mo ko eh.
Panalo na yan.
Tama na sir, masira yung masterpiece ko. Okay na?
Kita mo, ayan. Iharap ko sa kanya.
Linisan na yung table na pagkatapos.
Ano yan? Pang Miss Universe. Plakadong-plakado lahat.
Sika.
The 8, ano sir? Ano yun? Warm tones. Eh, ano to? Done!
So, sige, ramdami mo. Okay? Finish or not finish? Wash your faces.
Ano yun lang yung...
Powder.
Maganda naman na.
3.
Ipakita mo
Dito na sa harap.
You hold it, then show it to sir.
Group 3.
Kuya!
Let's go, group 3.
1.
Ayun, judges.
Kayong mag-judge ha, palakasan ng ano, palakpak.
Group 1. Alams na yan.
Group 1, Group 2.
Alams na yan. Alams na yan.
Ay, yung Group 4 na lang, kasali din sa mag-judge.
Walang nanalo.
Ulit. Ito start.
Self-cheer na yun.
Dalawa yung nanalo. Congrats.
Okay, so dahil kayo nanalo, bago tayo uwi, kayong dalawa ang mag 33 steps